veggies that wiggle, flowers that jiggle, and herbs that giggle in July. In July, we can plant veggies like lettuce, spinach, carrots, tomatoes, even beans. Let's explore the benefits of each veggies that wiggle.
Hi, I'm lettuce. I help keep your body cool and your tummy happy. I'm full of water and super for your digestion. Hey Maya and Buzzley here. I am.
Hi, I'm Carrot. I help your eyes see better and make your skin glow. I'm packed with vitamin A, perfect for little superheroes. Hi, Maya and Buzzley, here I am.
Hi, I'm Bean. I help build strong muscles and give you energy to zoom. With protein and fiber, I help you grow big and strong. Hi, Maya and Buzzley, here I am.
Hi, I'm Tomato. I've got vitamin C to help you stay strong and not get sick. I'm great for your skin and eyes, and I give you energy to play. Plus, I'm juicy and tasty in salads, sandwiches, or all by myself. Hi, Maya and Buzzley, here I am.
Growing with patience. As days go by, sprouts turn to leaves and flowers begin to bloom.
Look, Buzzley, the lettuce is growing. And the beans are climbing like jungle vines.
Garden care tips.
Sun, soil, water, love. That's what your plants are dreaming of. We'll check our garden every day and keep the weeds away. Flower fun. Don't forget flowers. Marigolds, sunflowers, and zinnias love July too. Let's find out sunflower facts. Sunflowers can grow taller than you. Some sunflowers grow over 10 feet tall. That's taller than most grown-ups. Sunflowers are full of snacks. The center of a sunflower is packed with seeds that we can eat as a healthy treat.
Look at me, I'm blooming. Did you know? Sunflowers always face the sun while they grow.
Marigolds are bright and brave. They keep bugs away and love sunny days. Marigolds are gold and bold. They chase bad bugs from garden beds, cold. Zinnias come in rainbow colors and bloom all summer, making gardens happy. Zinnias bloom in every hue, pink, red, orange, yellow too. Herbs that giggle Maya and Buzzley explore a new part of the garden, perfect for planting herbs. Let's plant some basil and dill. They smell amazing and add flavor to our meals. Basil helps keep your tummy calm and makes food super tasty. Dill is great for digestion and makes your breath smell fresh.
Weeks later, Maya and Buzzley have a little picnic in their blooming garden.
Growing your own food is both enjoyable and beneficial for your health. What will you plant this July? Don't forget to subscribe to Smart Seedlings for more giggles and adventures.